Good morning, everyone. This is my report, Part 5 Human Resources Management Intervention, Thomas G. Coming, Christopher G. Murdy. Topics and Objectives. Chapter 7 Performance Management, Model of Performance Management, Goal Settings, Performance Appraisal, Reward System. Chapter 18 Developing Talent, Coaching and Mentoring, Career Planning and Development, Management, and Leadership Development Intervention. Chapter 19 Managing Workforce Diversity and Wellness, Workforce Diversity Intervention, Employee Stress and Wellness Intervention. Chapter 17 Performance Management. It is a human resource management intervention concerned with managing individual and group performance. It involves goal-setting, performance appraisal, and reward system that align member work behavior with business strategy, employee involvement, and workplace technology. A performance management model. Goal settings. Goal setting describes interaction between managers and employees in jointly defining member work behavior and outcomes. Goal settings can clarify the duties responsibilities associated with a particular job of work group. When applied to job goal settings can focus on individual goals and can reinforce individual contribution and work outcomes. When applied to work groups, it can be directed at group objectives and can reinforce members, joint action, and overall group outcomes. Popular and classic approach to goal setting is management by objective MBO. Characteristic of goal setting. Work equally well with individual group settings. There are two major processes that affect positive outcomes: establishing challenging goals, clarification of goal measurement, management by objectives MBO. MBO attempt to align personal goals with business strategy through increased communications and shared perception between managers and subordinates. MBO programs may go beyond manager and subordinate rules to address individuals, work groups, and to reconcile conflicts. MBO application stage involve the whole work group. Goals set jointly by manager and subordinate. Action plans are established. Criteria and yardstick are established. Work progress and contract review and adjusted periodically. Records of meeting are maintained. Performance appraisal involves collecting and disseminating performance data to improve work performance. It is a primary human resources management intervention for providing performance feedback to individuals and work groups. It is a systematic process of jointly assessing work-related achievements, strengths, and weaknesses. It can also facilitate career counseling, provide information about the strength and diversity of human resources in the company, and link employee performance with reward. Performance appraisal elements. Performance appraisal elements. Gross appraisal of appraise. Traditional approaches, organizational, legal, fragmented, supervisor manager, passive recipient, subjective, concerned with validity, periodic fixed, administrativity driven. High involvement approaches, developmental, integrated, appraising coworkers and others. Active participant, objective and subjective. Dynamic, timely, employee of work driven. Performance appraisal application stage. Select the appropriate stakeholders, diagnose the current situation, establish the system purposes, objectives. Design the performance appraisal system. Experiment with implementation, evaluate and monitor system. Characteristic effective appraisal system. Timely, accurate, accepted by the user, understood, focus on critical control points, economically economically feasible. Reward system are concerned with eliciting and reinforcing desired behaviors and work outcomes through compensation and other forms of recognition. They can support goal settings and feedback system by acknowledging the kinds of behaviors required to implement particular work design or support a business strategy. Organizational rewards are powerful incentives for improving employee and work group performance. Rewards can also produce high level of employee satisfaction. Reward system design features. So this is the reward system design features. Person job based versus performance based. Market position in external equity, internal equity, hierarchy, centralization, reward mix, security, seniority. Definition: the extent to which rewards are based on the person, the job, on the outcomes of work, the relationship between what our organization pays and what other organization pay, the extent to which people doing similar work within an organization are rewarded the same, the extent to which people in higher position get more and varied reward, the extent to which reward system design, decision, and administration are standardized, the extent to which different types of rewards are available and offered to people, the extent to which work is guaranteed, the extent to which rewards are based on length of service. Characteristic of effective reward system: availab- availab- availability, time, timelessness, timeliness, performance contingency, durability, equity, visibility. Timelines. Four types of rewards: skills and knowledge based pay system, performance based pay system, gains sharing system, promotion system, reward system, process issue issues. Chapter 18: Developing Talents, a human resource management intervention concerned of managing talent, i.e., coaching interventions attempt to improve individuals' ability to set and meet goals, lead change, improve interpersonal relation, handle conflict, or address style issue. It focuses on the skills, knowledge, and capabilities of an organization member, usually a manager or executive, but in the case of mentoring can also apply to individuals. Career planning and development intervention address different professional needs and concerns as a member progress through their work lives. Management and leadership development processes are human resource management interventions that attempt to transfer knowledge and skill to many individuals. They include in-house training program, external education, opportunities, action learning project, and other activities. Coaching and mentoring goals: assist in the execution of transition, address a performance problem, develop new behavioral skills with the leadership development. Application stage: establish the principles of the relationship, conduct an assessment, coach and client, debrief the results, develop, implement an action plan, assess the result. Career planning and development intervention. Career planning and development intervention provide appropriate resources, tools, and processes necessary to help organization members plan and attain their career objectives. Career planning is concerned with individuals choosing job, occupation, organization, and each stage of their career. Career development involves helping employees attain career objectives. For career stage: the establishment stage age to 21 to 26, the advancement stage age 26 to 40, the maintenance stage age 40 to 60, the withdrawal stage age 60 and above. Application stage, establish a career planning mechanism, communicating regarding career opportunities and resources with organization, workshop to assess member interests, abilities, and job situation, and to formulate career plans. Career counseling by managers of human resources department personnel, self-development materials directed towards identifying life and career issues, assessment programs that test vocational interests, aptitudes, and abilities relevant to career and goals. Career stage and career planning issue. Career stage, establishment, age 21 to 26. Career planning issues. What are alternative occupation, organization, and job? What are my interests and capabilities? How do I get the work accomplished? I am performing as expected. I am developing the necessary skill for advancement. Advancement age 26 to 40. I am advancing unexpected. How can I advance more effectively? What long-term options are available? How do I get more exposure and visibility? How do I develop more effective relationship? How do I better integrate career choices with my personal life? Maintenance age 40 to 60. How do I help others become established and advanced? Should I reassess myself and my career? Should I redirect my action? Withdrawal age 60 and above. What are my interests outside of work? What post-retirement work options are available to me? How can I be financially secure? How can I continue to help others? Career development intervention, realistic job review, assessment centers, job rotation and challenging assessment, and consultation rules. Career stage, establishment, maintenance, advancement, withdrawal, establishment, maintenance, withdrawal. Purpose to provide the members with an accurate expectation of work requirements, to select and develop members for managerial and technical jobs, to provide members with interesting work assignment leading to career objective, to help members feel productive roles later in their careers and provide less experienced members with exposure to key knowledge and skills. Intended outcome, reduce turnover, reduce training cost, increase commitment, increase person job fit, identify high potential candidates, reduce turnover, build organizational knowledge, increase job satisfaction, maintain member motivation, increase problem solving capacity, increase job satisfaction, increase member motivation. Career development intervention developmental training, performance management, work-life balance, career stage, establishment, maintenance, advancement, withdrawal, establishment, maintenance, advancement, withdrawal, establishment, maintenance, advancement, withdrawal. Purpose: to provide education and training opportunities that help members achieve career goals. To provide members with knowledge about their career, progress, and work effectiveness, to help members balance work and personal goals. Intended outcome: increase organizational capacity, increase productivity, increase job satisfaction, monitor human resources development, improve quality of life, increase productivity and morale, increase organizational commitment, decrease absenteeism, decrease turnover. Management and leadership interventions. One of the most popular OD interventions aimed at developing talent and increasing employee retention. Builds individual skills to socialize leaders in corporate values and prepare executives for strategic leadership roles. Focuses on developing that skill and knowledge the organization believes will best equip them for the career they prepare. Application stage. Perform a need assessment. Determine the competences believed to characterize effective leaders in the organization, develop the objectives and design of the training, deliver the training, evaluate the training. Chapter 19, Managing Workforce Diversity and Wellness. MWD is defined as planning and implementing organizational systems and practices to manage people so that the potential advantage of their diversity is maximized while its potential disadvantages are minimized. It focuses on maximizing the ability of all employees to contribute to the organizational goals, create and maintain a positive work environment. Framework for Managing Diversity. Thomas G. Cumming, Christopher G. Morley slide. A framework for managing diversity. External pressures for against diversity. Management perspective, perspective priorities, strategic responses, implementation, internal pressures for against diversity. Work diversity dimension and intervention. Workforce differences, age, gender, disability, culture and values, sexual orientation. Friends, median age of distribution of age changing, percentage of women increasing, dual income families, the number of people with disabilities entering the workplace increasing, rising proportion immigrant minority group workers shift in rewards, number of single-sex households up more liberal attitudes towards sexual orientation, implication and needs, healthcare, mobility, security, childcare, maternity, paternity leave, single parents, job challenge, job skills, physical space, respect and dignity, flexible organization, policies, autonomy, affirmation, respect and discrimination. Intervention, wellness program, job design, career planning and development reward system. Job design, fringe benefit rewards, performance management, job design, career planning and development. Career planning and development employee involvement reward system. Equal, equal employment opportunities, fringe benefits, education and training. Stress management, diagnose and intervention. Workplace stressors, physical environment, light, noise, temperature, population, individual role conflict, and ambiguity, ambiguity, work overload, lack of control responsibility, group workers, subordinate or boss relationship, organizational for structural design politics for HR policies. Stress, how the individuals perceive occupational stressors, consequences, subjective anxiety, apathy, behavior, alcoholism, drug abuse, accident, and proneness, cognitive poor concentration, mental blocks, burn out, psychological, psychological, increased blood pressure and heart rate, organizational lower productivity, absenteeism, legal action, workplace intervention role, clarification, supportive, relationship stress, inoculation training, health facilities employee assistance program, individual differences, conductive, affective, type A or B handedness, social support, negative affectivity, biological, demographic, age, gender, occupation, race. Summary. In summary, the three chapters represent the human resources management intervention or change programs that are carried out by HR specialists but have become important part of OD practices. Performance management model shows how goal setting, performance, appraisal, and rewards are closely linked and difficult to separate in practice, but each element is distinct and has its own dynamic. Developing talent is concerned and managing talents, either by coaching and mentoring, career planning and development, leadership and management intervention. Lastly, managing workforce diversity is managing people so that potential advantage of diversity is maximized while potential disadvantages are minimized in order to contribute to the achievement organization goals, thereby creating positive environment. Application. Since I work in the local government, we follow and implement what is called SPMS or Strategic Performance Management System. Legal basic from the Civil Service Communication presented in the next slide. Our system is more of management by objective of MBO. Individual performance are aligned to the department's objectives to the LGU business strategy. Civil Service Commission legal basics, establishment and implementation of agency strategic performance management. SC Memorandum Circular Number 6. It is a mechanism that links employee performance with organizational performance to enhance the performance orientation of compensation system. Ensure that the employee achieve the objectives set by organization and the organization, on the other hand, achieve the objective that it has per strategic plan. SPMS objectives to concretize the linkage of organizational performance with the Philippine Development Plan Agency Strategic Plan. Organizational Performance Indicator Framework OPIF to ensure organizational and individual effectiveness by cascading institutional accountabilities to the various level of the organization to link performance management with other HR systems. Civil Service Commission CSC Government Philippines. SPMS basic elements, goals that are aligned to agency mandate and organizational priorities, system that is output outcome oriented, a team approach to performance management, forms that are user friendly and shows alignment of individual and organizational goals, information system that support monitoring and evaluation, communication plan, Civil Service Commission CSC Government Philippines. Performance-based incentive system, productivity enhancement, incentive, performance-based bonus. More importantly, more important, more importantly, the SPMS complementary result-based performance management system that is implemented by the Office of the President and that link organizational performance to societal goals. It is also linked to the performance-based incentive system PBIS that consists of the productivity enhancement incentive PI and the performance-based bonus PBB. Civil Service Commission CSC Government Philippines. Thank you.